Alrighty, today we're on the road. We're heading up an area called Wesley Chapel. It's about an hour away from our shop. We got an empty trailer with us and a sack full of cash. We're hoping to come back with a really killer car. It's a 69 Firebird, 455, 4-speed, bright orange, black interior, absolutely killer car. So we got the lead on over the weekend. We're heading up right now Monday morning and hopefully get this thing bought. Alrighty, so we're back at the shop with Big Bird or Orange Julius. We haven't decided on the name yet. 69 Firebird. You saw us get it out of that yard. Awesome. It's even better at the shop. A couple little things to go through, but overall, killer car. Well, we'll get a little closer look at some of the stuff. So, a couple things to point right away. New bumper, all new trim. Inside the trunk is all nice and splatter painted. Even new electrical components there, the marker lights. All new gaskets all the way around here, if I didn't already say that. Paint looks pretty recent, last couple years. Somebody's spent a ton of money on this car. You know, it's not a super original car. There's nothing real special about the car itself. It's just really awesome. Bright orange, 455 big block, 4-speed, power disc brakes. It's actually got, I'll show you. It's actually got a whole CPP disc brake setup, and that's been done pretty recently as well. A couple other little nice upgrades. It's got a chrome alternator, chrome Moroso valve covers, and air cleaner, and then red top Optima battery. Again, we'll go through some of this and clean this up a little bit to look, brand new. It's obviously been driven a little bit. But just look at, if anybody follows Pontiacs, this is huge. This gap right here being that tight, and usually you'll see that gap going out a little bit. That line is actually really good for a Pontiac. Sometimes that line moves quite a bit because this is just a dirt bumper. But really great car. This is an awesome find. We were one of the first ones on it. We got there right in time. Super stoked about this purchase. So if you like this, please like, follow, do all the things, and thanks for watching.